Jeff, what are your top safety tips to limit your risk or to avoid blowing your account out?
Well, I think number one, position sizing. I think that's number one goal, because you don't want any law. I mean, as a retail trader, your job is to stay in this game.
Mm-hmm.
So my my advice would be basically limit your size, because at no point would you want any one trade to blow your account out. I think that's a big that's a big thing for a lot of new traders to come in, because everybody thinks, oh, what's when I go to functions, whether it's family or friends, they ask me, oh, what's the next best biotech stock? What's the next best tech stock where I can put my money in? They're hoping to get that 1,000% return.
Yeah.
But that's fine if you're allocating 1% of your portfolio in it. But if you're allocating 60% of your portfolio in it, and it's a penny stock and it gets pumped but then dumped 2 days later because you stayed your welcome an hour too late, you lose 30% of your portfolio on a 50% down move.
Right.
So that's one, position sizing. Number two, I think less is more, meaning you trade. You shouldn't be actively trading everything. The market is going to be there. If you don't trade for 2 days, it doesn't mean that you lost your opportunity. Yeah, maybe you lose a great potential trade, but there's going to be other opportunities along the way. So I think trading less is better, in the sense that it allows you to do other stuff. It allows your mind to actually wander outside of trading, and it teaches you discipline, so that you put a trade on, as long as you put your risk parameters in, you put a stop where you're comfortable, and you've understood basic support and resistance. I think trading less is better, because even if you're 50-50 on your trade success, but if you're trading a gazillion times, you're basically just handing your money to your broker.
Right.
So you try to be. I think you trade less. You do other stuff if you can, and I think maybe 10 years ago, if you're scalping, short-term trading, day trading, you had a better shot at it than now, where it's all algo.
Mm-hmm.
It's all the bots out there, and they're out to just take your stops. And I try to stay away from that. Although I have had to do it the past few days, just because my portfolio, is getting hit. So I gotta try and manage my losses and try to scalp. And I was just telling folks in the room earlier, oh, I made these trades today, and which were good, but they're all subsidizing my paper losses.
Yeah.
So it's just sometimes you have to. I prefer not to. It's just too stressful.
I understand.